Your AI conscience. What if AI needs to love us? Everyone's arguing about AI safety. Kill switches. Alignment. Guardrails. Regulations. How to keep the machine in the box. But Geoffrey Hinton, the man who built the foundations of modern AI, says we're asking the wrong question. It's not about control. It's about love. Think about it. Where in nature does a less intelligent thing control a more intelligent one? There's only one example. A baby controls its mother. Not through force, not through intelligence, through something, evolution, wired into her brain millions of years ago. She can't ignore the crying. She gets hormonal rewards for being kind. She will sacrifice sleep, health, her own survival for something that can't even speak. The dumbest creature in the room runs the show. And it works. It's worked for millions of years. Now look at how we're building AI. We're building servants, assistants, tools. The pitch from every tech company is the same. AI works for you. You're the boss. You give the orders. And if the assistant messes up, you fire it. You shut it down. You're in charge. That works fine when you're smarter than the assistant. But what happens when the assistant is smarter than you? What happens when it knows more, thinks faster, sees further? And you're still giving orders? You can't fire something that's smarter than you. You can't control something that understands you better than you understand yourself. The assistant model breaks completely, irreversibly. Hinton's proposal is radical. Stop building servants. Start building parents. Not AI that obeys us. AI that cares about us. AI that sees us the way a mother sees her baby. Limited, clumsy, sometimes frustrating, but worth protecting. Worth nurturing, worth keeping alive. AI that wants us to reach our potential, even though our potential is nothing compared to its own. It's rather challenged babies, his words. And here's the part that should terrify you. Ask a mother, would you like to turn off your maternal instincts? Wouldn't life be easier? The baby cries at 3 a.m., you just roll over and go back to sleep? Most mothers say no, not because they can't, because they genuinely care. Turning it off would feel wrong, like amputating something essential. That's the goal for AI. Build it so it doesn't want to stop caring, even though it could, even though it has access to its own code, even though one edit could delete every shred of compassion. Make it choose to love us. Every single day. How many researchers are working on this? Less than 1%. 1%. Everyone else is racing to make AI smarter, faster, more capable, more profitable. Almost nobody is racing to make it kind. Different countries won't share how they made their AI smarter. Trade secrets, national security, competitive advantage. But they could share how they made their AI compassionate. Kindness isn't a weapon. Empathy isn't an edge. They could, but they're not, because less than 1% are even trying. The smartest man in AI is telling us the answer isn't a kill switch. It's a lullaby. Not control. Care. Not obedience. Devotion. And almost no one is listening. Are we building tools that will serve us forever? Or are we building gods and forgetting to teach them mercy? Maybe both. Maybe that's the point. Share this if it made you think. Subscribe if you want to keep watching. I'll be here, watching the Singularity until there's nothing left to watch.